Quick! Isa bode meti hospilate.
Recognizing the intrinsic link between healthy ecosystems and thriving communities, IWEco is dedicated to strengthening nature-based enterprises and promoting sustainable livelihoods across the region.
So we have seen some very good success in several countries, and the best success we've seen is when a community has been transformed in attitude to the way that it sees and approaches what it does in the environment. And this is hopeful because when the project is finished, it means that there's a fair chance that the gains, the things that have worked through a particular intervention, will in fact be continued by the people who remain in the community.
And in the hills of St. Lucia, one community is showing how, with funding and vision, nature-based enterprises can sow seeds of opportunity. This flagship project illustrates the integration of agriculture and forestry practices, promoting sustainable land management and providing livelihood opportunities for local communities.
We recognize that you could marry the landscape, the value of the landscape, the aesthetic value of the landscape, with some of the activities we are doing to enhance the degraded areas, to build resilience. And we could marry it with ecotourism. So the concept of having or developing farm-to-table tours as a means of telling farmers, hey, if we're bringing in the fruit trees, we're bringing in the diversity, then these are options that you have in the future. Hopefully we'll be able to be providing not just fruit-bearing trees or forest species, but we're also looking at a diverse array of flowers and other ornamentals and medicinals that will help to create revenue streams for that community group, for the farmers.
In the Dominican Republic, beekeeping initiatives empower communities to harness the natural resource of their surroundings while promoting biodiversity conservation and generating income. Through innovative approaches to land restoration, individuals in Trinidad are transforming abandoned quarries into productive landscapes, fostering economic resilience and environmental sustainability.
One thing I want to say is that never underestimate the power of a community to do an intervention to solve an environmental problem.
With IWEco, these projects are not just building a better world, they're building a better future, one where people and nature thrive in harmony, forging the path towards a more resilient and prosperous Caribbean.